Okay, so we've got a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 in an LTZ dual cab, 4x4, 6.2 litre, tow bar, reverse camera, parking sensors, alloy wheels, got the side steps, tinted windows, just presents in immaculate condition, has the front nudge bar, a couple of TJM spotlights, just a beautiful car all the way around. We'll take a look at the interior. So automatic, 2 and 4 wheel drive modes there, 70,564 the kilometres, a big colour screen, sat nav, dual zone climate air conditioning, plenty of buttons, pretty much like a spaceship. Interior seat trims are leather, also in excellent condition, front passenger just as good. Got the electric sunroof up there as well. Back seat just as good as the front. And you've got the tub all in excellent condition. All inquiries are welcome.